All right, welcome back. We're back out here, shotgun house style, walking houses with Brian, Fearless Flipping Community. We're gonna go in here and check this out. We got a list of houses we're gonna look today. You can see it's a mess, but that's how we like them. Let's go in and take a look and see what we got.
Should be pretty interesting.
Cut the grass and a coat of paint, man, would be good. Windows look good. Siding looks okay.
Yeah.
Let's see. So the notes on this house said it needs a renovation.
Okay.
First thing I see is, smells like a rental house.
Yeah.
That's what we like. We know it's a rental. New carpet, paint, a little bit of sheetrock work, but honestly, the kitchen looks pretty good.
Yeah, that actually looks pretty good.
Cabinets are in good shape, countertops in good shape. Was a dishwasher here.
Once upon a time.
But what a great Section 8 rental. I mean, Section 8 rent, 3-bedroom. Do you know what it is?
3-bedroom, Section 8. That's
$1,200, $1,300. So you could probably buy this for $95, put your 20, 30 grand into it if you wanted to. It doesn't look like it needs that much, honestly.
No, not at all.
And get your 1% rule. Pretty good deal. Straight rental house. All right, water heater looks good. HVAC ductwork looks good. You know what? I'm not even mad at this house. Look at this. Update electrical.
Yeah.
First bathroom. Any power? We don't have any power.
It's all right. I got a flashlight.
Yeah, man, that looks really good.
Man, this ain't bad.
White flat paint. Yeah, this is actually really good.
Yeah.
I mean, the carpet, if you wanted to replace it, I mean, it doesn't even look bad everywhere.
You can probably just clean it.
You could probably clean it. The living room looks like I would probably change it, and there's some, bad spots here and there.
Yeah.
But you could get this whole house recarpeted, $1,500.
Yeah.
Brand new carpet.
At that spot,
We could paint this house for probably $2 grand with material. $1,500, $2,000. Just all the walls are white. We just roll them out. A little bit of sheetrock work, but I like the knockdown. Look, all the ceiling fans, HVAC registers, everything looks pretty good. Walking houses, right? All right, we come in here. I've seen a couple double closets. Like, this is a large closet, huge closet. Yeah, like I said, we'd probably redo this carpet and paint. What you got in the bathroom?
Bathroom good.
Holy cow.
Yeah. That's pretty good.
Yeah, I'll have to see what we can get on rent on this thing. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, probably 1,100 square feet, 1,000 square feet, which we love. We love small rentals. Why do we love small rentals? Because of turnover. Turnover is what absolutely crushes you in rental properties. Here's the difference. 1,000 square foot rental house, you can do carpet and paint for a couple $1,000s. A 2,300 square foot 2-story rental house gonna cost you $10,000, $15,000 just for paint and flooring, right? Possibly the same rent, maybe a little bit more rent for the bigger house, but just depends on the neighborhood and the area. I like them small because of turnover. Closets. I don't know, it makes me wanna call our team and say, we gotta buy this one. So multiple closets. It's like all these little shotgun houses are all the same, but this one seems like it's been taken care of.
Yeah. They kept this one up pretty good.
Should we try to walk around outside?
Yeah.
Got your flea and tick spray? Looks kind of deep out there. Look at this. Come on, man.
Yeah,
HVAC looks new, water heater looks new. Seriously, paint and carpet, and this thing's renting.
Yeah. I mean, so all the big ticket items, they're already taken care of.
Yeah, we'll take a look at the roof outside, but literally paint and carpet, and this thing's back rental ready.
Yeah. Thing's pretty good.
Let's go see what we got out back.
I'm with this one.
We always like to check and see what kind of utilities we're at. We're in city limits, but what I love to see is these clean outs right here. That means it's probably at some point taken off septic tank and tied into the city sewer. We love to see those clean outs right there. Let's go around back, see what we can find. Take a look at our roof. Roof looks great. Brown roof, I hate brown roofs, right? I've been known to tear off brown roofs and put black roofs on just because I can't stand them. I will tear off a 3-tab shingle roof and put on an architectural shingle roof for no other reason than just how it looks. Crazy like that. So you got some siding repair.
Yeah, a little bit.
This looks toast, but the inside unit didn't look bad.
No, it didn't. So
cut this grass.
Just be fooled.
I love a small backyard, no back door. Just love it. I guess that side door would be back door. Yeah. This siding is all garbage. So that would be one big ticket expense if you were gonna wrap this in vinyl siding, because this stuff, you can't find it and replace it.
No.
It's basically like cardboard. Call it, I can't remember the name for it. But if you wanted to wrap this, wrap it in vinyl siding, cap it, it'd probably cost you $7,500 to do this. So I'm looking at, a $10,000, $12,000 renovation on this property. So if we bought it at 95 and spent 10, 15,000, we'd totally be in the money. Check it out, the windows are new, windows look good. The grass is really nice underneath these weeds.
Yeah, under all that.
So if you cut all this back and and sprayed, it's actually a good one. All right, we're back out here, house number 2. This one also $95,000. Looks like a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, huge brick house. First shot, roof looks great. Let's go in and take a look and see if we can't make a deal. This one, I believe, I want to bet, what do you think this one smells tangy?
Yeah.
I'm betting this one smells tangy. I wish we had the smell-o-vision on. Let's go. Hello, real estate investors. Okay, does not smell because it looks like somebody's done the reno.
Somebody started doing something.
Okay.
That's why they had the windows covered up.
Yeah, it wasn't trying to get busted, right?
Yeah, makes sense now.
So sometimes when people are renovating houses in neighborhoods and they don't want to get busted by the county or code enforcement, they'll tape up these windows or work at night and stuff like that.
Know what's going on?
We used to do stuff like that. Look, we got a little flooring started.
Halfway done. Not really.
Cabinets have been painted, ready for countertops.
We've been doing a little work.
Man, I'm not mad at this for 95.
No.
The paint has been rolled out, not trimmed in. We got 3 bedrooms, 1 bath. HVAC can be new, but panel looks good. Bathroom's under construction.
Yeah, question mark. This ain't bad, man.
No, this is a great rental house.
I think this is actually better than the last one.
I do too.
When we just left.
I like the size of it. I hate the 1 bathroom, but rental houses in this area, they're fine with 1 bathroom. And I love it that you actually have access from the master, the owner's suite, and the hallway. So people, you don't have to leave your bedroom to go use the bathroom, but you can also close the door while other people use it.
Yeah.
So I think it's better than having that half bath in the
What's this?
What you got?
Oh,
got a little wood floor repair.
Yeah. Goes into the closet.
All right, coming in here, I love the size of the bathroom, right? I can see myself showering in here. Looking out the window. Can't stand windows in showers, so what we normally do is we would tear this window out, frame it up, and sheetrock it. Looks like that's what they're gonna do.
Why you don't like a window?
Just because I don't like holes in the walls in my bathroom or showers. I do like the natural light, but what we've done is tear them out. Because look, if you wanted to put a tile surround or a fiberglass surround, it would go right through the middle.
Yeah.
Looks like they framed it up and they were gonna tile over it or sheetrock over it or something, but always on the outside, take the windows out and brick them up, or you can just frame it in and put some vinyl siding right there. But
that's pretty good.
It's not too bad. I mean, probably another $25,000 reno to get it rent ready. But we had a good point there. Where's the cabinet faces? I don't like missing those. But I'll tell you, it's probably cheaper to have new cabinet faces put on than all new cabinets.
I would say so.
I guess refrigerator here, sink, no dishwasher. Perfect
Easy.
for a rental. And then you've got stove here, but this looks bigger than a 30-inch stove. Love a small fenced-in backyard, right? Love a small fenced-in backyard. Because this is what rents. People want fenced-in backyard, they want privacy, they'll pay extra for this.
The low maintenance is always a plus.
Right. A lot of landlords will have these sheds pulled out of here. They'll sell this. I mean, if you put this on Facebook Marketplace for $2,500, $3,000, it's gone by the end of the day, and somebody else will get it out of here. But a lot of times we'll leave them because, man, a tenant's always going to want storage. Residents always want extra storage, and here we are right here. You know, we got some for you to put your junk. Cut these bushes back. Make sure the fenced-in yard's here. Cut, trim, edge, blow back here. Look, the back door used to have a slider or a double door. And they framed it in and cased it in and then put that vinyl siding. That's the same thing I would do in the bathroom. I would frame that in and put white vinyl siding right there. All right, I like it.
I like it too.
I mean, I'd like this one better than the other one for $95. The other one has a smaller footprint. We're on a slab. It feels like it was built a couple years after this one, for sure.
Yeah.
Still got the fridge. Should we open it? Dun, dun, dun. You ready? Oh, we gotta get out of here. Let's go. Close that joker. Hold your breath. All right, let's go look at another one. All right, we're back out at another house. This is our third house we're walking this morning. This one looks awesome. I love this neighborhood. I have made millions of dollars flipping houses in this neighborhood. I still own rentals in this area. I absolutely love it. We've got this house for $135,000. Let's go take a look. The notes say it's rent ready. We've got a house next door here listed by a good friend of mine, an agent, that looks like it's a flip or brand new. You see it, Brian? Is it pending or?
I'm
trying to figure out what they've got this for sale for. Love it. Fenced in yard, paved driveway, metal roof. The notes say rent ready. We haven't been inside. We're gonna go take a look. 185?
Yeah.
Pending or
No, it's
for
not
sale?
pending yet. It's for sale.
How long, how many days on market?
Let's see. 28 days.
It's about right. Let's go inside and take a look. I can already tell this is a nice house. Really nice house.
I don't see too much work having to be done.
What is this? Peaches. Oh, good Lord.
Yeah, taste one.
There's a reel. Bite into it.
It's probably pig food.
Bite into it.
Nah,
try
it's not soft enough.
For content.
I know, I got it. Did you get me picking it? Let's find a better one. All right, here we go. Straight Georgia peaches off the tree. Let's go.
Hey, look good. Oh,
Absolutely delicious. Delicious, few days before it's ripe.
Gotcha.
They're probably better off the ground. I'd buy it for the peach tree. All right, got the lockbox, got the door open. We're gonna go in here and check out this house right now. Let's see what we got.
Yeah, it's all right.
Okay, nice hardwood floors. Smells good, looks good.
Smells like it's clean. Almost.
Brand new windows. Holy cow, look at this. Laundry room. This is what we like to see on our electrical. Hey, just put that in a junction box and we're okay.
Right.
So it's the outside of the house. Windows are brand new. Kitchen is good. Love the hardwoods. Yeah, they'd be crazy not to give us $145 for this house. We got this one locked. It's only a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. Isn't that crazy? Very clean.
Yeah.
AC's on. Everything's good. All right, so we got 1 bedroom here, 1 bath. This house looks a lot bigger outside than it does once you're in here.
Well, once you come in, it's like, oh.
Yeah.
But it's still good.
Is that tile?
Is it?
I love that they have already got a panel cut out to access the valve when it does leak. Little closets. Yep.
That's nice.
So what I love is that, look, we just looked at 3 houses in 3 different areas. We're gonna make a run at selling these. We're gonna send investors through here and we'll know what they're willing to pay. So when we talk about driving for dollars or marketing, man, I would go hit all 3 of these neighborhoods where we just were at, because more than likely,
something else.
Within a week and a half, we're gonna have these under contract to sell. So we're gonna have a back-end buyer, a back-end price, everything. So I think these are 3 good locations for you to do some marketing and try to get us another one in this neighborhood, in these neighborhoods.
Yeah.
I really like it. This is like an addition. The laundry room was an addition, but at the heart of it, it's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath cottage, which we love, right? This is retirement, single mom, wants a house, backyard for the kids to play in. I love it. It's a great
Peaches.
deal. All right, so what we got behind us is an absolute gorgeous fenced-in, stunning backyard. We got peach trees, pecan trees, but let me tell you why I hate it. I hate it for a rental property because of the upkeep, right? What kind of tenant are you gonna find that's gonna keep it looking this good? Most likely, you're gonna have to find someone at a lower rate that's gonna stay here for a long time and absolutely love it. But I love it. I mean, I love it for a house, for a flip house. I'd love to live here. It's pretty nice, really nice. Love a big package unit. Let me tell you why I love package units, right? A package unit HVAC has the air handler, the condenser, everything all in one, and it's all outside. So once it goes inside the house, it's just ductwork from here. There's no other mechanicals inside the house. What I love about them is they're usually gas, which this one is, so we call it a gas pack, and they just never break. We find these that are 20 or 30 years old all the time, and they still work, or we can still easily get parts and change them out and get them serviced. There's no line set, etc. like that. It's just awesome. I love a gas pack, especially on a rental house. All right, thanks for joining us walking houses today. We walked 3 houses, we checked them out. We're gonna buy these houses. Ultimately, we're gonna try to wholesale them, but we wanted to come out here with the community today and walk houses and take a look. We wanna bring you guys along. If you're interested in learning more about this, maybe getting together with us or joining our community where we do this all the time and we talk about it and we analyze deals, join the link in my profile. Find the link, join our community, schedule a call with me. I'd love for you to be on my team and start taking a look at some of these houses with us. We'll see you on the next one.